Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to enable the dark mode in your Samsung S20. To this operation, slide your upper bar 2 times and search for option dark mode. Here, press and hold it to configure it, and you can turn on as salute, sunset to sunrise is my favorite mode, or custom salute by time and date. You can apply to wallpaper in this mode and adaptive color filter. After you configure it, you can enable it by pressing on this icon, and as you see, we are in the dark mode, which every option of the phone is dark. When you want to disable this mode, just go back and one time click on dark mode here, and you are go back in the white mode. And that's it. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!